Hey guys, and welcome to lesson 4 of building our fairy garden. In today's lesson we're going to be making a little pond for our fairies that we can use for wildlife to get a drink. So for this build the materials we need are really simple. I've just got a yoghurt pot or similar container. You might want to use a margarine tub or something like that. And then we just need some stones. You want a big stone like this that's going to sit inside the pond, and that's going to be the way that the little wildlife can get in and out. And we're going to need some little stones to decorate it with. So this is my fairy garden so far. As you can see, we've got the road from the first lesson and the wattle fence, and I've got some parsley and some other plants growing. So first I just need to choose where I want to put my pond. And I've got a nice area here, so I think I'm going to put it here. Now I'm going to need to dig a little hole, so you can use a shovel or just use your hands, roughly the right size of my yoghurt pot. Now I've got my hole, I'm going to put the yoghurt pot in there. Now you might want to paint your yoghurt pot first. I haven't had time, but if you want to paint it a nice natural colour like brown, green or even blue, this will look really nice, but I'm just going to decorate mine. So what I want to make sure is if anything comes into our pond for a drink, it can get out, and the best way to do this is to put a little step in. So I'm going to take my biggest stone here, I'm going to put it in the yoghurt pot and kind of make a little slope. So can you see there? Just kind of slopes in there, and then little creatures will be able to jump on there and jump off it using the stone to get in and out. So at the moment that looks a little bit obvious that it's a yoghurt pot, so I'm just going to decorate it. So take some of your stones and I'm just going to use these to cover up the sides. So now I've used my stones to decorate the pond. Last thing we need to do is add some water. So here we go, just going to put the water in my pot there. Going to pour the water so it just about comes up to the stone there, and then all the little insects will be able to crawl in there and get a drink. Now if you're feeling particularly adventurous, you can actually make this on a much larger scale using a washing up bowl. And most years since I've had this made, I've had frogs in here, I've had larvae and all sorts of different creatures. So if you fancy giving it a go for it. So there we have it guys, one pond for our fairy garden. Join us next lesson when we're going to be making some fairy houses for our fairies to live in. Till next time guys, bye!